Hi ladies, it's Dawn, and I wanted to come on here really fast today. Fast meaning 12 minutes or less. I know my videos can get long sometimes, so I'm trying to monitor how long I'm talking because I can get so chatty. Today I wanted to talk to you about Juice Beauty, and the reason I wanted to talk to you about Juice Beauty today is because I love Juice Beauty. And tomorrow, the 19th, Juice Beauty has their trial size kits at Ulta for the 21 Days of Beauty on sale from normally about $45 to $23 to $25. I can't remember exactly, but they're like nearly half price. And if any of you are looking to try Juice Beauty products, this would be a great time to purchase one of those kits. The kits come with deluxe sizes in them, and that is how I got my introduction to Juice Beauty. So I just want to tell you a little bit about the brand. Juice Beauty is a 100% certified by the USDA organic skincare line. And organic skincare lines that are certified only use organic farms to harvest their vegetables and fruits and things like that they use for ingredients in their products. And there are clinical studies, many clinical studies, that show when ingredients are farmed from organic farms, they have a higher antioxidant level by at least 30%. So Juice Beauty's antioxidants really work. The other thing that really impresses me about Juice Beauty is that they don't use any filler ingredients. They don't use water in their products. Rather, they use antioxidant fruit juice as their, like, instead of water in all of their products. So the first products that I purchased from Juice Beauty was a small kit, and it was the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle line, and it came with several beautiful products. One is still in my bathroom. It came with a moisturizer that was a very good size. It came with this serum booster, the Stem Cellular Serum Booster, and it came with the eye cream. And I started using these and I love them. And when I purchased them, Ulta had a deal where they threw in the green apple brightening emulsion as like a gift with purchase, and I fell in love with the green apple line. I think I like this more than I like the Stem Cellular line, only because I really like my skin to look as bright as possible. But firming is the other thing that I really like in my skin. So the Stem Cellular line will be also very good for that. So I started using the kit and I really liked it. I stopped using my Retin-A while using these products just to see how they stand alone. So for about 5 weeks I went without Retin-A and I just used these products, and then I was falling in love with them, just so pleased with the results I was seeing, that on the end cap by the Juice Beauty products at Ulta, they have the Stem Cellular 2-in-1 cleanser for $10, and it's a very good size. A little goes a very long way. So I purchased this for $10, and then I went back and I got the green apple age defying serum, and I love this. I want to get the green apple peel pads, and I also would like to get the moisturizer because I have heard rave reviews from everybody I know who uses them. And I like the containers because they're glass and they're not see-through, so light can't get to them. All of the Stem Cellular line are airtight containers, so air can't get to your product. Since they are USDA certified, they are also monitored to make sure that they're meeting the standards. So there's a lot of clinical studies done, and we have some evidence. Most skincare brands and cosmetic brands are not monitored because they're not certified organic, and so there isn't any regulatory body overseeing them. But for Juice Beauty there is, because to keep their certification they need to be monitored. So that gives me some added trust in the company. And these are the ingredients that they also have in their products. They're all the highest potency of vitamin C, fruit stem cells, vegetable hyaluronic acid, peptides, grapeseed and natural essential oils, resveratrol from grapes, no petroleum byproducts or water fillers. They have malic acid from apples, no GMOs, no parabens, petroleum, pesticides, propylene, butylene, alcohols, phthalates, sulfates, PEGs, TEA, DEA, GMO, silicones, gluten, I could go on and on about what it doesn't have, and it only has really great ingredients. So I'm very impressed. It's farmed from farms in California, all here in the USA, and they use solar power to create the energy on these farms. That's all I know about the company, but I know that I love their products. And right now I'm using a combination of Juice Beauty, and I've added in a couple products from Mad Hippie as well. I've added in the exfoliating serum from Mad Hippie and the face cream from Mad Hippie, and I'm going to add in the vitamin C serum from Mad Hippie. So I'll be using 3 Mad Hippie products, probably alternating during the day and night. But these are the products I plan on sticking with all fall and all winter and see how it goes. But so far I'm so pleased with the results I'm seeing. I wanted to come on here and tell you, just in case you are interested in picking up the deluxe size sample kits tomorrow when they're on sale on the 21 Days of Beauty. It's a great way to try the products and save money. And I've also tried some cosmetics from Juice Beauty as well, and I'm thrilled with the results and their performance, and I'll tell you more about those later. So anyway, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave me any questions or comments below. Hit the thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. I hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day.